Welcome. In this video I will tell you about 7 hidden features on HUAWEI Watch Ultimate 2 that HUAWEI itself never told you about. And the first one is that you can easily drain all the water from your device. If you swipe down the control center and tap the drain icon, you will drain all the excessive liquid from your device. You can also shake it a little bit to help your device drain the water. And now the next feature that I wanted to tell you about is the gesture-based camera control. So all you have to do is open the camera app on your phone, tap on the app button, select remote shutter. Of course you can take photos by pressing the remote shutter right here, but you can also wear your watch on your wrist. So give me a moment. And now to do the same thing, you have to simply perform the index and thumb gesture, but quickly, like this. Yeah, it's not very responsive as you can see, but basically, yeah, let me just... Yeah, so as you can see, you can also use gestures to take photos, so you don't even have to tap on the remote shutter icon in order to do this. Now the next thing is the Sonar underwater messaging, which is a cool feature, but not for everyone, for divers. To access it, you have to go to the app menu, and in the app menu open the dive menu, and here you have such feature as dive communications, where you get the diver ID, and if you enable it you will be able to add another user with the same watch and then communicate with them using quick messages underwater. So that's really great feature, since underwater you can have an LTE signal, and this is a great advantage for divers using this watch. Now the next thing is the cover to mute gesture. So to quickly silence incoming calls or alarms without touching the screen, you simply have to cover the watch face with your palm, and this silent gesture is perfect for meetings or quiet moments. Also, the next thing I wanted to tell you about is customization of workout screen metrics. Let's go back to the app menu and select workout, not this one, workout, and in workout menu you can basically adjust any workout that you want, and they have some specifics to them. So for example, you can go to this one. This one actually doesn't have many different features, but for example, for this trail run, you can enable or disable metronome, mismatch prevention. You can customize the data display and customize the elements you want to show on it. You can also change the battery performance, and for quick access, pin this workout to the top of the screen. Now besides, if you go to the very bottom of the list and go to the workout settings, you can enable auto detect workouts, which will make it even easier for you to start workouts. So you don't even have to pin any basically select any workouts from the workouts menu. And now the next thing is the quick access to your headphones navigation. To do that, open the widgets menu, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list, then tap edit, scroll down to manage, and here enable earbuds control and enable show, and this way you will be able to control your earbuds easily. And the last and very important feature is the emergency SOS without phone. In order to enable emergency SOS, you have to press the power button 5 times on your watch. And this will enable the emergency SOS, and you'll be able to call either police, ambulance or fire department in basically one tap, which is a very useful feature, and you need to know about it. And so this was the last one, and I really hope that this video helped you understand your secret features better on your watch. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.